Beneath our feet, the Earth's surface hides a terrifying secret. Gigantic chasms, some wider than you can imagine, gape across the planet. From colossal canyons to monstrous sinkholes, join us on a terrifying journey as we unveil the top 15 widest cracks in the Earth. Are we truly aware of the threats lurking beneath our feet, waiting to reshape the planet's surface? Let's explore. The Pit of Hell. Imagine standing at the edge of a gaping chasm, so deep and foreboding that it's earned the name the Pit of Hell. This isn't a scene from a fantasy novel, it's a real place on Earth, and its very existence challenges our understanding of the planet's mysteries. Welcome to the Darvaza gas crater in Turkmenistan, a place that looks more like a sci-fi movie set than a geographic landmark. The story of the Darvaza gas crater begins in 1971 when Soviet geologists were drilling in search of natural gas. The ground beneath the drilling rig unexpectedly collapsed, leaving a huge hole with a diameter of about 70 meters. Fearing the release of poisonous gases, the scientists decided to set it on fire to burn off the gas. They thought the fire would last a few weeks at most. Little did they know, they were igniting a flame that would burn for over half a century. Now, it's a massive, fiery pit in the middle of the Karakum Desert, lighting up the night sky with its infernal glow. The heat is so intense that you can feel it from a distance. The sight is mesmerizing, almost hypnotic. It's easy to see why locals refer to it as the door to hell. But beyond its dramatic appearance, the Darvaza gas crater is a fascinating subject for scientific study. It offers a unique opportunity to observe the effects of long-term natural gas burning on the environment. Scientists from around the world have ventured close to the fiery pit, equipped with heat-resistant suits and specialized equipment, to study the composition of gases and soil in the area. Their findings contribute to our understanding of natural gas fields and the impact of gas leaks on the environment. What's more intriguing is the ecosystem that has developed around this fiery pit. Despite the harsh conditions, some microorganisms have managed to thrive in the soil near the crater. This discovery has implications for astrobiology, providing insights into how life might survive in extreme environments, even on other planets. Just imagine standing at the edge, looking into the heart of this blazing pit. It's a sight you'd never forget, a stark reminder of the dynamic planet we call home. Crack in the ground. In the remote high desert of central Oregon, there lies a remarkable geological feature that's as intriguing as its name suggests, the crack in the ground. It's a massive fissure in the earth that stretches for about 2 miles and reaches depths of up to 70 feet. This isn't just any crack, it's a testament to the Earth's ever-changing nature and offers a unique window into the geological forces that shape our planet. The crack in the ground was formed around 12,000 years ago, a blink of an eye in geological terms. It's the result of volcanic activity in the region, specifically from a tension fracture. As the Earth's crust pulled apart slightly, a large crack formed, creating what we see today. This type of formation is known as a volcanic fissure, and while they're common around the world, few are as accessible or as impressive as Oregon's crack in the ground. Unlike many other geological rifts that have been smoothed over by erosion, this crack has remained relatively untouched, preserved in its rugged form by the arid climate of the region. As you walk through the fissure, you can't help but marvel at the sheer scale of this natural wonder, a direct result of the Earth's relentless tectonic activity. For the adventurous, exploring the crack in the ground is a memorable experience. The narrow path through the fissure demands careful navigation, but it's accessible to most people. It's a journey that takes you literally inside the Earth, offering a perspective you can't get anywhere else. So whether you're a geology buff, a nature lover, or just someone looking for an off-the-beaten-path experience, the crack in the ground is a destination that won't disappoint. Red Cloak Rift. In the land of fire and ice, where nature's drama unfolds in spectacular vistas, there lies a crack so profound and mystical, it seems like a passage to another world. Welcome to Raffaldsk, a colossal rift on the Snæfellsnes Peninsula in Iceland, where legends echo and nature's might is on full display. As you approach Raffaldsk, the first thing that strikes you is its sheer size. This isn't just a crack in the ground, so to say, it's a massive fissure that splits a mountain. The rift, part of a dormant volcanic system, was created by the immense forces of tectonic movement and volcanic activity that have shaped Iceland over millennia. Think of it as a giant scar left by the Earth's restless movements, a reminder of the dynamic processes that continue to shape our planet. But Raffaldsk is more than just a geological wonder, it's steeped in Icelandic folklore. According to legend, the rift is named after Raffaldr, a man who was thrown into the chasm by a local chieftain. This tale adds a mystical aura to the site, making a visit feel like stepping into a saga from the Viking Age. As you walk into the crevice, you can almost hear the whispers of ancient stories and myths that have been passed down through generations. The journey into Raffaldsk is an adventure in itself. A narrow, rocky path leads into the heart of the fissure, where the sunlight struggles to penetrate. The walls tower above you, covered in moss and lichen, adding to the otherworldly atmosphere. Water drips from the crevices above, creating a symphony of natural sounds that enhances the experience. It's like walking through a natural cathedral, with the walls echoing the footsteps of those who venture inside. Inside Raffaldsk, the landscape changes as you progress. The further in you go, the more you need to navigate over boulders and streams. It's a challenging but rewarding trek, one that reveals the diverse features of this geological formation. From certain vantage points within the rift, you can catch glimpses of the stunning Icelandic scenery outside, framed by the jagged edges of the fissure. One of the most fascinating aspects of Raffaldsk is how it changes with the seasons. In winter, the rift is adorned with icicles and snow, creating a magical, frosty landscape. In summer, the meltwater forms little waterfalls and streams, breathing life into the rugged terrain. It's a place where every step takes you deeper into the Earth's secrets and closer to the heart of Iceland's enchanting landscape. Kamoamoa. Nestled in the lush landscapes of Hawaii's Big Island lies a geological marvel that stands as evidence of the Earth's living, breathing nature. Kamoamoa is a massive crack in the ground, a volcanic fissure that showcases the raw power of the planet's internal forces. Formed during the eruption of the Kilauea volcano in 2011, Kamoamoa is a testament to the ever-changing face of the Hawaiian landscape. The eruption itself was a spectacular display of nature's might, sending fountains of lava shooting into the air and carving through the earth. As the lava flow subsided, it left behind a deep and wide fissure, forever altering the terrain. The name Kamoamoa is derived from Hawaiian words, with kamoa meaning to lean or to slope, a fitting description of the topography surrounding the crack. As you stand on the edge of Kamoamoa, you can feel the energy of the earth pulsating beneath your feet. The ground is still warm, a reminder that the volcanic activity is not a thing of the past. Walking along the edges of Kamoamoa, you'll be captivated by the contrast between the lush vegetation surrounding the crack and the barren, volcanic landscape within. The crack itself is a marvel of nature, a gaping wound in the Earth's surface that exposes the layers of rock and soil formed over thousands of years. What makes Kamoamoa particularly intriguing is its connection to the ongoing geological processes in Hawaii. The islands are a result of the Pacific Plate slowly moving over a hot spot in the Earth's mantle, creating a chain of volcanic islands. Kilauea, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, is a manifestation of this geological activity. Kamoamoa, as a product of Kilauea's eruption, offers a glimpse into the dynamic forces that continue to shape the Hawaiian archipelago. For those who venture to Kamoamoa, the experience is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It's a reminder that the Earth is not a static entity, but a living, breathing planet, constantly reshaping itself through the dance of tectonic plates and the fiery embrace of volcanic activity. Standing at the edge of Kamoamoa, you can witness the geological drama that has unfolded over millennia, a story written in the rocks and scars of the Earth. Xi'an gravitational anomaly. Deep beneath the surface of Xi'an, China, a mysterious and awe-inspiring phenomenon is unfolding. It's a gravitational anomaly, a massive and enigmatic chasm that challenges our understanding of the forces at play within the Earth. This is not just any crack in the ground, it's a gravitational mystery that has puzzled scientists and sparked the imagination of those who dare to explore its depths. The Xi'an gravitational anomaly was first discovered in the 1970s during a geological survey. Researchers found that the area exhibited unusual gravitational characteristics, with gravity being stronger than expected. This anomaly led to further investigation, and what they uncovered was beyond their wildest expectations. The crack itself is massive, stretching for miles beneath the surface. It's not just a surface feature, it's a deep fracture that extends into the Earth's crust. As scientists delved deeper into the anomaly, they found that the gravitational forces within the crack were fluctuating in ways that defied explanation. It was as if the normal rules of gravity didn't apply here. The geological forces responsible for the ZN gravitational anomaly remain a subject of intense study and debate. Some scientists believe that the anomaly is linked to the complex tectonic activity in the region, where multiple tectonic plates converge. The collision and subduction of these plates create intense pressure and stress within the Earth's crust, leading to the formation of deep fractures. Others propose that there might be more exotic explanations, such as the presence of dense materials or even unknown geological structures deep within the Earth. The ZN gravitational anomaly has become a focal point for researchers seeking to unravel the mysteries of our planet's inner workings. One of the most intriguing aspects of this anomaly is its potential connection to seismic activity. The region around ZN is known for its seismicity, and the gravitational forces at play might offer clues about the underlying processes that lead to earthquakes. Understanding the dynamics of the Earth's crust in this area could have significant implications for earthquake prediction and mitigation. For those who venture to the ZN gravitational anomaly, the experience is a blend of scientific curiosity and the thrill of exploring the unknown. The crack in the ground is a gateway to a world hidden beneath our feet, a world where gravity behaves in unexpected ways and where the very fabric of the Earth's crust reveals its secrets. As researchers continue to probe the depths of this gravitational mystery, we may unlock new insights into the fundamental forces that shape our planet. The Devil's Kettle. Deep within the rugged landscapes of Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, a mysterious and captivating natural wonder beckons the adventurous. Known as the Devil's Kettle, this geological enigma has puzzled scientists and visitors alike for generations. What makes this crack in the Earth particularly intriguing is the mystery of where one of its branches leads. The Devil's Kettle gets its name from the powerful and turbulent waterfall that plunges into a large, dark abyss. The Brule River, flowing through the park, splits into two streams at this point. While one stream continues its journey down a conventional waterfall, the other vanishes into the Devil's Kettle, seemingly swallowed by the Earth itself. The mystery lies in the fate of the stream that disappears into the Devil's Kettle. Despite efforts to trace the underground flow, no one has been able to determine where the water resurfaces. Researchers have employed various methods, including dye tests and floating objects, to track the water's path, but the secret remains elusive. It's as if the Devil's Kettle swallows the river's flow and holds it in an underground realm, away from the prying eyes of curious onlookers. Scientifically, the Devil's Kettle presents a unique challenge. The ability of water to carve through rock and create underground channels is well documented, but the specific characteristics of the Devil's Kettle make it an exceptional case. The absence of a visible outlet raises questions about the geology and hydrology of the area. Some speculate that the water re-enters the river through subterranean passages, while others believe it might feed into nearby Lake Superior. The geological forces that shape the Devil's Kettle are equally fascinating. The surrounding rock formations, composed of ancient volcanic basalt, provide a backdrop for the waterfall's dramatic descent. The erosive power of the Brule River, combined with the unique geological features of the area, has created a spectacle that captivates the imagination.